Yoolim, what a fascinating take on this stock that really has been overlooked. What's the verdict here? Is it a reflection of the tech bubble, or can it really become Southeast Asia's next Alibaba?
Yeah, hi. Yes. So that's exactly why we went and spoke to a lot of investors to really understand why they like the stock so much. So firstly, they think that this is a company that has exceeded their expectations. So the company had primarily two key businesses in the past, which is mobile gaming and e-commerce. And when they went public in 2017, which is 8 years after the company was founded in Singapore, it was not at all really clear they would succeed. The Garena, the gaming brand, was primarily a gaming publisher, but they have transformed themselves into a gaming developer. And their first self-made game, Free Fire, became a huge success globally. So with that money they generate from that business, they started investing heavily in e-commerce, which is Shopee. So what's really interesting is that they have narrowed the gap with larger competitors across Southeast Asia and became a top player at the end of last year. It's pretty impressive since Alibaba's unit, Lazada, was the first regional e-commerce platform in the region into which Alibaba had invested about $4 billion. So some investors we spoke to like what they see, and they think that this is a mini Tencent and Alibaba in the making.
So they are still, money losing, right? So what are the prospects of profitability?
So it's not great because they are now starting to invest heavily into digital financial business, which is a bit like how they began to build e-commerce 3-4 years ago. It requires a lot of investment and focus while continuing to build e-commerce and trying to come up with the next blockbuster game. So all of this requires a lot of investments going forward. But the investors and shareholders who track the company very closely have told me that they think that they are the team led by the founder and CEO Forrest Li and the team. They are very good at allocating capital, and they are prudent. So they think that even though they are losing money at the moment, that this is a necessary investment, for the future.